Today on Mike Attempts, fixing a random orbit sander. I was using this 17-year-old sander the other day when a chunk of the pad flew off and smacked me in the stomach. It struck with a good amount of force, so I'm just glad it didn't hit lower. I replaced the original pad about 7 years ago, and it has only seen light use since then. After removing the damaged pad, I found what looks like a large, broken O-ring. Turns out it's a belt that prevents the pad from exceeding the RPM limit when it isn't in contact with the workpiece. I assume the belt was fine last time I replaced the pad because I don't remember noticing it. Here are the new replacement parts. See the description below for links. Before installing the new belt, I cleaned both pulleys with some rubbing alcohol. The small pulley is fixed. It does not spin. Also, it's worth mentioning that the fixed pulley screw is reverse threaded. Put the belt around the small fixed pulley first, and then rotate the larger pulley to install. The sander does work without the belt, but you'll end up replacing the pad more frequently due to the increased RPMs when lifting the tool. When the belt is intact, you can easily see it through the holes in the pad. Let's test it out. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.